'cause I don't know what to do. Now what if I choose the wrong thing to do? I'm so afraid of disappointing you. So I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world is so cloudy. Guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart. Oh, my hopes and dreams are fading fast. I'm all burned out. I don't think my strength's gonna last. So I'm crying out to you, Lord, who is able to bring me through. So I need to talk to you, Lord, and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world is so cloudy. God, guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart, yeah. So show me how to do things your way. Don't let me make the same mistakes over and over again. Your will be done, and I'll be the one to make sure that it's all here. And in you, I don't want any doubt, yeah. That's why I need to talk to you and ask you for your guidance, especially today when my world is so cloudy. Lord, guide me until I'm sure I open up my heart, yes. Lord, you are the lover of my soul. I open up my heart, yes. Why don't you open up your heart to Him? Let's open up our hearts, yes. You're the lover of my soul. You're the captain of my sea.